Today we are putting a homemade twist on a KFC favorite crispy chicken popcorn. This quick and delicious recipe isn't perfect for lunch boxes, it's perfect for snacking too. Hey there Lemon Kun fam, welcome back. Schools are back in session and we know how challenging it can be for moms to come up with new and exciting lunchbox ideas for their little ones. Let's get making chicken popcorn at home and trust me, it's going to be delicious. Let's get started. Start by taking bite-sized pieces of chicken breast. Now let's season it up with some salt, black pepper powder, garlic powder, oregano, vinegar, hot sauce, soy sauce, and mustard sauce. Mix everything well. If you have time, you can let it marinate, but if you're in a rush, you can move right on to the next step just like us. For the coating, take some all-purpose flour in a bowl and add salt, black pepper powder, paprika powder, and chicken powder. Mix it all together. In another bowl, you have some ice cold water ready. Now it's time to coat our chicken. Dip each piece in the dry mixture, then into the cold water. Strain properly and back into the dry mixture. Press the coating onto the chicken. You can even use your hands to get that perfect flaky texture. Then give them a little shake to remove the excess flour and they're ready to fry. Here's a small reminder to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so you never miss out on our latest lunchbox ideas. For frying, heat your oil on medium flame. To check if it's ready, just dip a skewer into the oil. If you see bubbles slowly rising, it's time to fry. Fry the chicken popcorn until they are golden brown and crispy. You can serve these as they are or use them in tortilla wraps, sandwiches, or even burgers. Look at that, so tempting! If you want to serve them for later, you can freeze them at this stage in a Ziploc bag. Now it's time for tasting! Absolutely delicious! This one will take you right back to your school days. Your kids are going to love these. Stay tuned for more awesome lunchbox ideas. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please like, share, and give us your feedback. It means the world to us. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling.